Right, welcome back to Shed Tune, the Shed Tune HQ, and we're back in the workshop. That's right. Me and Dom are back in the workshop, and we'll give you an update on the Vespa.
It's still here and it hasn't caught fire yet.
It is still here and it hasn't caught fire, but as you can see, we've done absolutely nothing to it. But the plan today is to put the engine back together, try and get it running.
I think if we all just take a couple of deep breaths here and just try to... Fuck!
And if we can, we might better get all the switchgear and the lights done.
No, I said we.
Sorry?
I said we.
Whee! Good, that means I'll be able to get stuff done.
I've got a stealth plug.
Oh, do you know what? It's been one of them days today. See if you can spot what I've done wrong. Let's show you, shall we? See, on a Lambretta, it can only go on one way round. How the... I can't be fucked with this.
Yeah, I don't think that's going to work.
Right, okay. Back to the drawing board, take it off, start again. Ta-da! Now it's on the right way round. Don't you just love scooters, eh? Right, so that's all back together. Put exhaust on, air filter and all that sort of stuff, and then that's that bit done, I think. Right, so that's all that back together. Look, tidied up, got a few bolts to put in there, but realistically the bit of fuel that might run now, so I suppose there's only one way to find out.
Supposed to do that.
Well, it sort of started.
It definitely started.
What's happening there? Oops, a daisy. That might be a little bit too much fuel. I might have flooded it. Oh well, at least we know it fires. We'll get it running properly in a minute. Bastard. It will work. Right. Should be off the ramp soon. Well, we obviously need a petrol tank. I think we need a petrol tank. Right, so now we're a bit further forward because we've now got AC power for all the lighting. So for all of you that commented and said about battery runs the other bits and AC comes from the engine, thank you very much. Because believe you me, we were getting a little bit confused. Next job, I guess, sort all of this end out. Because we've got switches to switch over and all sorts of stuff. Okay, so this is as far as I've got tonight. Got to put the switches in for, oh, just as well, because that's the wrong one for that side. So that's got to go into that side. That one's got to come out, and then we've got to put the indicators, I guess, into this side. But I can't be asked doing it tonight. We're going to go home. So, thanks very much for watching. A little bit of progress on the LML VESPA. Maybe next time you see me, I'll have done a bit more, but I doubt it. Say bye, Dom.
Bye, Dom.
Oh, and thanks for people sending the stickers in. We will get round to you. We've just been hectically busy with holidays and all sorts of crap going on. See you next time.
Yeah, and don't forget, like and subscribe.
Bye.
See you later.